give values of x based on the null factor law. So here we have x times x minus 2 is equal to 0. It should be clear that that means that either x is equal to 0 or x is equal to 2, because that would make the bracket 0. So if x is 0 there, then that would become 0 times negative 2, which is of course 0. And if x was equal to 2, we would have 2 times 0, which is 0. So we have x is equal to 0 or x is equal to 2. For the next one, x plus 2 is equal to 0. Once again, the x could be 0, or here x could be negative 2. So we get x is 0 or x is negative 2. Now with this one, let's think about what we have there. We've got 3 times x times, let's just make a bit of space there, 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now 3 can't be 0, so we can just ignore that. So either the x is 0 or the contents of the bracket are 0. So x is 0 is a possibility. The other possibility is that 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. But we know how to solve this type of equation. Subtract 1 from both sides, 2x is negative 1, divide by 2, x is negative a half. So we have x equals 0 or x equals negative a half. And we're going to do the same sort of thing with the next one. So we've got 3 times x times 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. Again, 3 can't be 0 because, it's 3. And we could have the x being 0 or the bracket being 0. So x equals 0 or 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. Add 2 to both sides. Divide by 3. X is 2/3. So we get x equals 0 or x is 2/3.